আই হোপ সকলেই ভালো আছো। আজকে যে স্পোকেনটা আরম্ভ করবো সেটা একটা নতুন টপিক। সকলেই জানো স্পোকেনের খুবই ইম্পর্টেন্স, আর স্পোকেন আমাদের জীবনে খুবই দরকার। কারণ যদি স্পোকেন না জানো তাহলে কিন্তু যখন তোমরা আদার সাইডে যাবা স্পোকেন ছাড়া তুমি কিন্তু সাকসেস পাবে না, তোমাকে ঘুরেই আসতে হবে হয়তো। কারণ ইউর মাদার টাং হচ্ছে যেহেতু বাংলা, তাই বাংলা কিন্তু সকল ক্ষেত্রে ইউজ হয় না। আজকে তোমাদেরকে আমি একটা নতুন টপিক আলোচনা করব এবং সেই নতুন টপিকটা তোমরা শোনো, আশা করছি খুব ভালো লাগবে। যাক, সকলে মনে রাখবে ধৈর্য হচ্ছে আসল, ধৈর্য ধরে শুনতে পারো তাহলেই সেটা কিন্তু সব থেকে ভালো। যাই হোক, আজকের স্পোকেন ক্লাস শুরু করছি। Today all of you are very good afternoon. Today I am going to discuss some important topics in English. How to improve your spoken English, because all of you are very good, are better your mother tongue. But do you remember, your mother tongue is not sometimes enough in your professional lives, because when you want to do some basic job, that's your mother tongue is enough. But when you want to do some government job, your mother tongue is not enough. At that places, if you do not know proper English, you have to fail, you cannot join. What is the reason? Because today without English the best student cannot get the great success. But do you remember, average student can the great success with good English. So all of you, I request, I would probably suggest you, all of you start to speaking English. But there is some problem. You will say, sir, if I want to speak my express, or if I want to express my spoken English, there will be something wrong. What is the reason? Because when you start to speak anything, at the time when you do not know the proper English, there will be some friends who will laugh at your English, where your growth stop. Today I will tell you, do you remember, when you were born, your fathers did not give you a Bengali dictionary. But how did you speak without any dictionary? I will tell you. For 1 hour, for 1 year, you could not speak anything. What is the reason? Because 1 year you would only hear. How did your father speak? How did your mother speak? How did your cousin, sister, elders, etc.? How did you speak? You will follow that, you will copy. After that, you are able to speak something. Today, you have to use the same structure, which structure once upon a time you use. I will probably suggest you, if you want to speak, if you want to improve your spoken English, please first you try to speak. There is something basic formula, because the first stage, it is the beginner's stage, it is the basic stage. Your mother tongue is so helpful. But when you want to the higher court, when you want to the other sides, outside of India, that means not I am telling inside of India, it will be outside of India, your mother tongue is far away, your mother tongue is not helpful. So I will tell you, if you have any good friends, when you do not know the proper language, but your friends will tell you good language, suppose you think that your friends is better than you will speak your friends always. But there is some also big problem. You will say, sir, I have no good friends. No problem, there is not problem. If you do not have any good friends, there is not problem. This age is so technology, this age, so it is not the manual, this age is the only digital. You all of you have a good mobile, you have to record it, you have to use it. God has given us a full memory, that is not the only 130 GB or 40 GB memory. If you have a good mobile, there will be only, it is limited to your book, so you have to use it. There is not rules that if you want to improve your spoken English, at that time you should forget your mother tongues. There is not possibility. The people who went to the other side, outside of India, at that time when they spoke their spoken English, but at that time they do not use their mother tongue. But when they come back home in 30 years after, they will speak their mother tongue very fluently. There is no corruption. Do you think how did they love their mother tongue? So do not think that if you learn spoken English that you should forget your mother tongue. Nobody can forget. Nobody should nobody should keep silent. You have to ask. When you will get a free time, you will try to practice spoken English. First times, beginners levels, if you do not know correct, if you do not know continuously speaking, there is no problem. You will use the two language. That means first language your mother tongue mixing. First language your mother tongue and second language in English. First word or first day you will see that only you will tell 5 words in English and one word is only Telugu. Come back to my spoken classes. There is some correction. Okay, no harm. Today, if you want to improve your spoken English, that you will say, sir, I do not know the proper language, I do not know the correct grammatical rules. But I will tell you, when you want to improve your spoken English, there is no rules that it will be the grammar. Grammar will be coming into your head the first times. I am not suggesting in spoken English grammar is not necessary. But how did you tell why it is not necessary? I will tell you. Suppose tell you your name. Please tell your name loudly. Please tell your name.
My name is Nikhil Sarkar.
Nikhil Sarkar. Just I will tell you Nikhil. That means which noun of Nikhil? Nikhil is proper noun. Nikhil means only one specific person, one person. But do you remember when you are going to on the road? Suppose there will be some friends who meet you on the road. They will not ask you, "Hello Nikhil, how are you? Please tell me what is a noun. Please tell me what is a verb." Nowhere in the world they will never ask you what is the noun, what is the verb. But when you will give the reply, when you will give the answer to that person or to your friends, you have to use grammar properly, you have to use vocabulary properly, you have to use preposition properly, you have to use the other part of speech. But I will suggest you first times you have to listen only the meaning. Now I am telling you have to understand what is the Bengali meaning. First times it will be next times or it will be second, third, fourth, sixth times. You will understand only the language. Please don't understand only the every time of the meaning what I am telling you. If you imagine that will be only one time every time I have to understand only meaning, you does not improve your spoken English. Now I am telling, I am speaking, my speaking is improved. But at that time when you are listening, now at that time you are listening, your listening will be improved. So when you will start to speak anything, at that time your speaking will be improved, your listening will be so improved. But if you want to improve your spoken language, that you have to learn the first basic English formula. Yes. What is the name of the formula? I am telling LSRW. That means LSRW full from listening, speaking, reading, writing. So every day, half an hour, all skills are dependent one skills. So you have to do or you have to try every day half an hour listening, half an hour speaking, half an hour reading, half an hour writing. That you will see your spoken will be so improved. You are very good. The whole world telling one word that Indians are very good, but at the practice times they are not good. They are very good, but they are so lazy because they know everything, but they do not practice anything. So today, if you want to imagine the other countries outside of India, that means you will see that the other country today, whole the country will start to speak Bengali. Not What is the reason? Because whole the country will start only one language, that is English. What is the reason? Because they know better English. That means no. They know good English. That means no. They hate their mother tongues. No. What is the reason? Because they knows better. Because they have understood English the way to the success. English is only one great success on the world. So in this cause, they are started to telling spoken English. Today whole the country are start to telling the spoken English. So if you want to improve your spoken English, you have always to do hard work. If you are not willing to hard work, you will never practice, you will never learn. So please learn. I have told you a lot of example. Today, just suppose I gave you a lot of books. Please read. You have a lot of books, but you have read a lot of books. But if you never will learn, I say please. I give you a lot of books. Please read. But at the time you read, but you will never learn. You will learn nothing. What is the reason? Because you are only reading book. You are not practicing in real life. So English is like that. If you do not practice, your English will be not improved. You are not achieving you are not able to speak anything. So every day, every time, whenever you get a free time, please practice yourself. Every time, every day, you will learn correct 5 new sentences. Every day it will be learned. If you practice once a week, once a month, or once a year, your speaking will not improve. You must practice every day. So all of you, I think I should close my class. All of you are very good. All of you are a lot of thanks for your listening. Thank you so much.